Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel. So if you've seen my past live stream, you'll know that the whole shop was burnt down due to a possible firebombing. Everything's under investigation, so allegedly. Anyways, so they didn't let me go anywhere near the damage, so now I'm gonna head over there and assess the whole situation, and I'm gonna take you guys with me to go check it out.
Yeah, that's right, guys. We're being told by Sac Metro that they were called out just after 1:30, and you can see the damage done to one of those RVs that Marley was mentioning earlier. What we know so far from Sac Metro Fire is that at least 6 vehicles that were damaged. They were all different types, including RVs. It's unclear at this time, according to Sac Metro Fire, if these RVs were lived in. They're also assessing if there were also other structures damaged with this fire, and that there was also another issue with combating this fire was the water supply. I'm being told by Sac Metro Fire that there aren't a lot of fire hydrants out here in this area. We also know that there were no injuries, and right now they are still trying to determine the cause of this fire.
All right guys, here we are. I just showed up to the scene and we are gonna go and assess the damage. Look at this one. I want to say this one survived. The only thing wrong with this is just some of the plastic got melted. I brought security man here because, you know, what's up?
Sad day, gentlemen.
Yes, it is. It's just not safe here anymore. We don't know what's going on. The whole thing is under investigation. This right here used to be the movie car. My poor movie car. No. Look at the light bar. That was the Code 3. Beautiful light bar that was on there. Still hanging in there. Look at this. There goes the Touchmaster Delta and the Motorola MCS 2000. Man, I can't help but think that I let this car down. It was probably crying for me like help, help, and I couldn't save her. All right guys, we're gonna have a moment of silence for the movie car. And rest in peace, Funny Man. He was back there. Funny Man, he was back there. He was sitting back there. That must have been a terrible death. Just heating up and he can't escape. R.I.P. Melvin and Funny Man. Oh no, this whole thing was full of equipment and goodies. And wow, look at this. This looks like Peerless handcuffs. Stop sticks are gone. Everything is gone. Oh my goodness. Look at all that. This is terrible. Oh, the engine. My poor baby. And this right here was the ambulance. This thing was full of goodies, full of equipment, and it's just charcoal now. Look at that. It's just burnt, twisted metal. Let's take a look over here. Oh my goodness. You see that? Those are CNG tanks. Under this whole intense fire, they still didn't blow. That would have been whoo. And look guys, this was the San Francisco police car. You could see the star right there. Oh man, this poor thing. Let's take a look in here. Like I said, this thing was full of goodies, weapons, guns. No, I'm just kidding, there's no guns in here. This was my whole spotlight stash. See all the little spotlight handles and all that.
You got an interior guy?
Yeah, call up an interior guy, restore it. No, this hurts guys, this really hurts. Oh, the push bar on that thing. There's a lot of stuff I had for sale on eBay. I gotta actually take those posts down. They don't exist anymore. Oh, and there goes my Honda Civic. That thing only had like 60,000 miles.
The explosion blew the car upside down.
No. After the fire was put out, some guy came with a bulldozer and just pushed them all into a pile. This place looks like it was nuked. Literally nuked. Look at that, transmission blew off the car. Damn. When I first came here, I was like, yes, the cars are saved, but I'm dead wrong. If you walk over here, you'll see that this car is destroyed. There's no fixing that. Sad part is, that same day, I had Junkyard Boys sand this thing down and it was ready for paint. And this one just came from the paint shop. Pull this hood open because it was actually still smoking. That is, look at that. Oh my goodness. Look at this. This is bad. This was such a good engine too. It was so smooth. And RIP 4.6. I hate to see a Crown Vic go like this. Ford sign. This might have survived. I don't know. This engine hoist. There is some good news. The light bars got saved. The San Francisco light bar. Code 3 light bar right there. For the new movie car that is gonna be rebuilt. Out of all of this, the only car that survived was the Vegas project. Even though it just got robbed not that long ago, it at least survived. My CNG Honda got messed up too. So yeah, a lot of you guys reached out to show your support, and some of you guys left some very touching stuff. I really appreciate every single one of you guys. My sister set up a GoFundMe account so we can collect money to rebuild the District 76 police car and relocate, of course, because this place, I just can't be here no more. And it's, you know, this is just not a good working environment. I mean, this is where I'm building these projects. There's no water, there's no electricity, there's no shade. And then it's crawling with bottom feeders, and it's just not safe here at all. Even just $1 helps out. If you can't help out with money, you can always just watch my videos. Continue to show your support. Check out my other videos you haven't seen, and together District 76 Crown Vic Auto will rise from the ashes.